Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the functions of marketing. Let's see what are the functions of marketing. First one is marketing research, product design, pricing, promotion of sales, personal selling, physical distribution, customer relationship management, after sales service and MIS management. And the code to remember the functions of marketing are MP5 CAM. And the first one is marketing research. Marketing research is one of the important area in marketing, and marketing research is a process which consists of systematic gathering, recording and analyzing the data about the marketing problems, and it helps to design a effective marketing. There are two main important areas in marketing research. First one is consumer research and the second one is dealer research. Consumer research is to find out the preference, like, dislike and the buying behavior of the consumers. Dealer research is to get the feedback from the dealer about the firm's product, vice versa that of the competitors also. And the second one is product design. A firm need to develop a new product design models to cater the customer satisfaction, and the introduction of a new product design helps to generate a goodwill and the competitive edge in the market, and it also helps to expand the business. Firms in pharmaceuticals and engineering and electronics etc. need to allocate good amount of funds towards research and development. And the third one is pricing. Effective pricing policy is a vital success of the product in the market. The price should be neither too high nor too low. If it is too high, the buyer may think twice before paying the product. If it is too low, buyer may think the quality of the product as inferior. While fixing the price, a marketer must consider certain factors like cost of production and distribution, competitive edge in the market, corporate image, channels of distribution and the customer's nature. And the fourth one is promotion of sales. Sales promotion involves various tools to induce to the customers to buy the products, like combo offers, band-aid, coupons, cash vouchers, exchange offer and the discounts etc. And the fifth one is physical distribution. Physical distribution includes the channel and the place of the distribution to make a profit available at a consumer convenient place on time, and a marketer may select either direct or indirect channel. Factors that influencing a channel selection: nature of the product and the consumer, corporate image of the firm, channels adopted by the competitors, objective of the firm and coverage area etc. And the sixth one is personal selling. Personal selling is an important area in the marketing, but it makes a big difference not only in promoting the product and it also to generate a goodwill of the firm. Personal selling can be a more effective with the proper selection of the sales force, training and developing the sales of the sales force, motivating the sales force to reach the target. And the seventh one is customer relationship management, CRM. It is concerned with the detailed information about the individual customers and all customer touch points. The purpose of CRM is to enhance a customer loyalty. And the eighth one is after sales service. Effective after sales service can promote a corporate image, and the effective after sales service can require some selection of right employee, motivating the employee and training to the employee. And the ninth one is MIS management. In large business firm, a marketing manager have to maintain a information system management, that is MIS. And the four components of MIS are internal records. It is all about the cost, sales and the profit. And the second one is marketing intelligence system. It is all about the information of the competitors and marketing trends. And the third one is marketing research to solve a specific problem. And the fourth one is marketing decision support system. Let us revise the functions of marketing. First one is marketing research, product design, pricing, promotion of sales, personal selling, physical distribution, customer relationship management, after sales service, and the last one is MIS management. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe my channel.